missing someone.
Can I quickly just make a disclaimer as well? I am wearing a top. I look like an egg. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I went onto the Makeup Revolution store and I saw loads of new products which I haven't seen in stores before. So I got a few to try because I was just really excited and they all looked very good. I haven't got a full new face of products because I did already have like eyeshadows and concealers and things. But the new products which I got was a face mask, a moisturiser, lip oil, foundation, brow pomade and a palette with like a highlighter and a bronzer in it. So I'm really excited. So I thought instead of just trying out those products, I might as well just do a full face of Revolution products. However, I realised the only product which I don't have of Revolution is a mascara. So that will be the only thing that I will be using that isn't Revolution. I put all the products which I'll be using in this little basket. It's all falling. Yeah, the first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do the new face mask which I got. So the face mask which I picked up was the Revolution Honey and Oatmeal. This is a Nourish and Glow face mask and it is cruelty free, which is great. The bottle looks like this. It comes with this little like seal that you just can take off. It smells so good. I also have this face mask brush to apply it. It's very cold. So I finished applying the face mask. It's got a very light cooling sensation to it. It actually feels quite nice. It says to apply it 1 to 2 times a week and allowed to work for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait for it to dry it. Okay, so I am back. The face mask is all done. It's been on for around 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so I washed it off. If we ignore this redness around my lips, hay fever, it's actually giving my skin a very subtle glow. So I'm going to carry on using it. Obviously, it's not just going to magically change my skin after one use. I am now going to go in with my second product, which is the Revolution SPF 15 Protecting Boost Moisturiser for normal to dry skin. That actually feels really nice. It's not too like thick, you can't really feel it on your face. So the next product which I actually picked up was the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade. So eyebrows are done. I literally just used the brow pomade. So now I'm going to go on to foundation. The foundation which I got was the Glow Skin Foundation. It looks like it could be a shade too dark for me. And I'm also going to use just the Beauty Blender. Beauty? I can't talk. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. The lid is like holographic. This is the foundation. I look really crazy right now. Once I have like powder on, blush, highlight, mascara, I feel like I look a lot better. I quite like it. I feel like I look very pale right now, but that could just be me. I don't know. I actually really like that foundation. I will continue to use it, obviously. I'm not going to waste it. So the next product which I'm going to use is the Revolution Lace Luxury Baking Powder. And I normally just bake under my eyes and around, what's this called? What is this? The chin area. This thing. What is that? Literally just applying it how I normally would. It's not a new product, so I've used this before. So I'm not really baking. I'm sort of just pressing the powder in. So I've applied my powder, but I'm now going to go in with eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro palette. It looks like this. I did just do a very simple look. I used this pink colour here, this colour as a base, this one just in the crease and then blended it inwards. So I think I would definitely use that palette again. And then another new product which I bought the other day was the I Heart Revolution Bronze and Glow palette. It's a little chocolate bar. How cute is that? And oh my god. So this is the bronzer and then this is the highlight. I actually quite like that, you know. Quite a nice shade. Not too dark and not too light. So for blush, I'm going to use this palette. I don't know what this palette is called. This is very old now. Look how dirty it is. Oh my gosh. So this is the palette. It's fine. It didn't break. Oh my god. That just fell out. Ow, I just whacked my head on the table. Oh my. So this is the palette. It's very old, as you can probably tell right now. Blush, I'm just going to use this blush brush. And I'm going to go in with this pink colour here. So that's the blush. Just very pink, very subtle. And then I'm actually going to go back in with the Bronze and Glow palette and use the highlighter from there. On the nose. So obviously, like I said at the very beginning, I don't have a Revolution mascara, so I'm going to have to use the Indicate Perversion mascara. My boyfriend's nan actually got this for me, so thank you for that, because I actually use this every single day. So my last two products I have are the I Heart Revolution lip oil, and then also the I Heart Revolution chocolate lip gloss. Don't know whether to use the lip oil first. I'm going to use the lip oil and then I'm going to use the lipstick. So here is the finished makeup. I really like it. Again, this was a full face of Revolution. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up so that I know you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe because that'd be super lovely. And yeah, I will see you again very, very soon in my next video. Bye!